So our next goal is to use a tool called Bundler in order to manage the version of gems that we're using for Sass. So this includes Sass on its own, but also any extensions that we use. Right now we're using one called Sass Globbing, and down the road we'll end up using even more. So I'm going to do a quick search for Bundler, and we'll hop onto bundler.io. Now, if you've watched the videos on how to use Bower, Bundler is similar in a lot of ways. So you'll begin to see a consistency between the way that different package managers work. Now, Bundler isn't necessarily considered a package manager, but it does a lot of the same things. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down here to Getting Started, and we'll begin with Gem Install Bundler in order to install it. So I'll just copy this, and I'll jump over to our terminal window. I'll create a new window because we're watching our Sass in the other one, and I'll type gem install bundler and hit enter. If you run into a problem because you don't have permissions, you can begin with sudo, which is just super user do, so it will allow us to do this as an administrator with administrative permissions. Okay, and if everything worked okay, we'll get the message 1 gem installed.